Thank you, sir. Happy birthday to you. It is Ndena Zambia Social Cultural Organization. I happen to be the leader. My name is Oyo Mamadu. I'm Moya Kuman from Water, and I kind of is local government. Sir, your work is a merit award. We are not just giving you a award because you are not a personality. We have watched your work, to see you defend the Igbo unity, to see you defend the interests of your people. And we are not just standing here because everybody is standing there to celebrate with you, but we are following your footsteps. Today in Nigeria, the reason why you have not been able to say this is what we stand for as a people is because we lack unity. And you have been walking around the clock to say that we have that understanding that we need to work together to get our desired goals. And even if, which I know, I've seen this girl from when you gave your lecture to this point, I've seen different faces, and I know there is a time together that you people are trying to actually make a change on 2027. It's also part of the call that we are making. We shouldn't be crying of marginalization when we are not at the front of the game. We must be there why decisions are taken, we must be there why discussion are being made to see that change is come. And that is why we are calling everybody, as far as you speak here, from the 13 states of Nigeria, we are one. And because of your work, this award was to be handed over to you. That was the 29th of August last year. When you gave us your feelings from we decided to hand it over to you. Showing a proof that blood drop Catholic, this is not for children, this is for men that make and live one in society. So, on behalf of Ndena Zambia Social Cultural Organization, the members of the executive, by presenting this award to you, thank you, sir. Happy birthday. Thank you. I'll make it very one of the biggest challenges of Nigeria is inclusiveness. You have to start from your own base to get inclusion and moving on. In 2012, when Chief Ralph Uwizue, then President General of Alaeze Igbo, came to the World Igbo Congress in Orlando, in Florida. Itobi and I were there, and he said, that is the man who made me feel about people pointing to me. I said, who am I to make anybody guilty of anything? But it was because I felt that the elders known to produce organizing people should be invited to leadership. I went to the Captain Tasaban, and I said to him, this is what I want to do, this is what I want to do. That's how we resolve the matter. And the rest is history. We bless God. Thank you all for your